As winter draws near, you are more vulnerable to certain health problems. Since viruses like cold, dry circumstances, the colder, drier weather impairs our immune systems and increases the prevalence of respiratory disorders. Shorter days also mean less time spent in the sun, which may result in reduced vitamin D levels and weakened immune systems. Additionally, people are more likely to remain indoors in confined areas where diseases can quickly spread. These elements raise the likelihood of illnesses including the flu, seasonal affective disorder, SAD, joint discomfort, and other ailments linked to lower temperatures and less daylight, especially when paired with dietary and lifestyle modifications. Continue watching as we go into great detail on a few typical health problems that the colder weather may be causing. 10 winter diseases you need to be aware of. Flu and colds. Colder, drier air is ideal for viruses that cause colds and the flu, increasing the likelihood of respiratory illnesses. Less exposure to sunshine may also weaken the immune system, making one more vulnerable. Staying warm, washing your hands, and getting a flu shot can all help. Injuries brought on by cold, particularly for elderly persons. Icy surfaces raise the risk of falls and injury. Fractures and sprains can result from slippery circumstances. Winter-related incidents can be prevented by wearing appropriate footwear and using caution on ice surfaces. Seasonal affective disorder, SAD. Many suffer from SAD, a form of depression associated with less sunlight, which alters serotonin levels and interferes with circadian cycles. Vitamin D pills and light treatment can help reduce symptoms. Gaining weight. Weight gain is frequently the result of winter comfort foods and less outdoor activity. During the winter months, people often seek foods high in carbohydrates, which can lead to a rise in caloric intake. Excessive weight gain can be avoided by organizing nutritious meals and maintaining an active lifestyle. Allergies and asthma. Due to dry, chilly circumstances, cold air can exacerbate respiratory allergies and cause asthma attacks. Breathing can be made easier by using humidifiers and wearing a scarf over the mouth and nose when outside. A lack of vitamin D. Wintertime sun exposure reduction can result in vitamin D insufficiency, which can impact bone density and immunological function. Maintaining appropriate levels can be aided by taking vitamin D supplements or including foods enriched with the vitamin in the diet. Arthritis and joint discomfort. Muscles contract in cold weather, increasing joint pressure and exacerbating arthritis discomfort. Pain can be lessened by exercising, keeping joints warm, and controlling inflammation with food. Eczema and dry skin. Dry, cold air causes the skin to lose moisture, which frequently results in dryness, itching, and flare-ups of eczema. Retaining skin moisture can be achieved by utilizing heavier moisturizers, indoor humidifiers, and adequate hydration. Heart problems. Blood artery constriction brought on by cold temperatures can increase blood pressure and strain the heart. This raises the risk of heart attacks, particularly in people who already have cardiac issues. It is advised to dress warmly and to refrain from abrupt physical activity in cold weather. Infections of the respiratory system. Pneumonia and bronchitis are among the most common respiratory diseases during the winter. Because cold weather impairs respiratory defenses, diseases can spread. Infections can be avoided by staying warm, avoiding busy areas, and often washing your hands. You can avoid some of these problems by being aware of how the weather can impact your health.